In this video, I will show you how to make 1xbet deposit. This is very easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xbet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xbet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to make 1xbet deposit, you have to go over to your 1xbet account and then click on menu. And in your menu here, you're going to see at the top of your corner, there is a box that calls deposit. So once you click on deposit, it is going to show you deposit methods that are available in your country. So in my country, here are the ones that are available. In your country, there can be more. So to deposit, all you have to do is to choose a deposit method that suits you and go ahead and create and deposit money into your 1xbet account.